Now we discuss PU questions regarding strategies for enhancement in food production. So first question, explain in brief the role of animal husbandry in human welfare. So role of animal husbandry in human welfare is increased milk production through cattle farming, increased production of eggs through poultry farming. Similarly, to produce more honey and wax through beekeeping. So these are the role of animal husbandry in human welfare. Increase the milk production through cattle farming, increase the egg production through poultry farming, increase the production of honey and bee wax from apiaries, increase the production of silk by sericulture, increase the production of lac by rearing the lac insect. So these are the role of animal husbandry in human welfare. Second question, if your family owned a dairy farm, what measures would you undertake to improve the quality and quantity of milk production? So answer is provide balanced feed containing good amount of both roughages, fibers and protein. Second, provide good shelter. Similarly, arrangement for hygienic disposal of animal waste, fecal matter of the cattle. Provide clean drinking water. So these are the prerequisite. Then only dairy farm is more profitable. So second, if your family owned a dairy farm, what measures would you undertake to improve the quality and quantity of milk production? So you already know, select the good breed. So construct the house in lengthwise east and west direction. At the time sunlight is available throughout the day. Next one is fodder, quality and quantity of fodder. That fodder should contain roughage, fibers and protein. So similarly, provide clean drinking water. Similarly, provide good shelter. Arrangement for hygienic disposal of animal waste. Third, what is meant by the term breed? What are the objectives of animal breeding? What is meant? The term breed means a group of similar birds having same size, shape, features and configuration. What is configuration? Location of body parts. In a particular breed, the body parts present in the same location in all members of that breed. Location of body part is known as configuration. And in the same question, sub-question is what are the objectives of animal breeding? To develop pure lines. Pure lines means homozygous animals by inbreeding. Similarly, we develop desirable phenotype. We introduce desirable phenotype, physical appearance by outbreeding, particularly crossbreeding. So answer is to develop pure lines, to combine the desirable characters of two breeds. So this is about the objectives of animals in breeding. Fourth one, name the methods employed in animal breeding. According to you, which of the method is best? So next question is name the methods employed in animal breeding. So methods: animal breeding, inbreeding, outbreeding, species hybridization. Similarly, controlled breeding experiments, multiple ovulation embryo transfer technique. So artificial insemination. So which method, according to you, which of the method is best? Best is outcrossing. Why? Avoid inbreeding depression. What is outcrossing? So cross between the organism belong to the same breed but no common ancestor for 4 generations, known as outcrossing. So outcrossing avoid inbreeding depression. That's why I am suggesting outcrossing. Your answer is I am suggesting outcrossing to avoid inbreeding depression. Next one, what is apiculture? Rearing of honeybees for the production of honey and bee wax. Apiculture, how is it important in our lives? So honeybees, the farmers not only rear the honeybees, by rearing honeybees they pollinate the flowers of crop. So as a result crop yield also increases. So indirectly the apiculture favor the increase of yield to farmers. Next one, discuss the role of fishery in enhancement of food production. To provide balanced diet to the increased population, fishery is another source, like agriculture, fishery another source. So we can provide rich source of protein and vitamin A, vitamin D to the people. You already know shark liver oil contain vitamin A, cod liver oil contain vitamin D. So this is about importance of fisheries in our life. So these are the questions regarding zoology part. So strategies for enhancement of food production, total weightage 6 marks. Now we discuss the competitive part. So question, it is the agriculture practice of breeding and raising livestock. So it is the agriculture practice of breeding and raising livestock is animal husbandry, bioinformatics, pharmacology, biotechnology. Answer is, so that is animal husbandry. More than 70% of livestock, more than 70% of livestock population is in Denmark. First option B, India. 3, China. 4th, India and China. So 70% of livestock in India and China. You already know the productivity only 25%. So answer is India and China. Third one, the term livestock means domestic animals, first option, poultry animal, second option, wild animals, third, fourth, poultry animals and wild animals. Answer is domestic animals. Fifth question, next question, the young chicken raised specially for meat, the young chicken raised specially for meat are called boiler, cockerel, pullets, hen. Answer is boiler or fryer. Boiler also known as fryer. Boiler also known as fryer. Next one. An exotic breed of poultry is SL, Busra, Brahma, Milk, White Leghorn. In the textbook also given diagram Leghorn. Leghorn is a exotic variety. What is exotic variety? Not native of our country, from other countries, non-native. So from other region, that is Leghorn. Similarly, in the textbook given Jersey diagram, that is also exotic high yielding cow. The chances of containing bird flu from a properly cooked about 100 degrees chicken and eggs are 1 very high, 2nd high, 3 moderate, 4 none. If the chicken is cooked at 100 degrees Celsius, so the virus destroyed. So that's why answer none. Which of the following is the bird flu virus? H5N1, 2 Haemophilus influenza, 3 HIV, 4 rhinovirus. Answer is H5N1. H5N1 is the bird flu virus. Swine flu, that is H1N1. Swine flu, H1N1. Bird flu is H5N1. Next one, read the following statement and select the correct option. Statement 1, Ranicate disease is a disease of poultry. Correct. Statement 2, it is caused by a virus. So both are correct. Ranicate, viral disease. Both statements are correct. Here options, both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. And so answer is both the statements are correct. Actually, whether the statement explain the first statement, such questions are not included in your syllabus. They may give 2 statements. You should answer both the statements are correct, or both the statements are wrong, or first statement correct, or second statement correct. So here is both the statements are correct. Next question, the mule is a sterile male, fertile male, sterile male or female, fertile male or female. Mule is a sterile male. You already know. When a jack contains 62 chromosome, mare contain 64 chromosome. So from jack it receive 31 chromosomes, from mare it receive 32 chromosomes. So mule contain 63 chromosomes. Mule contains 63 chromosomes. Mule is male or female, but it is sterile. Jack, male donkey 62, mare, female donkey 64, mule 63 chromosome, and it is sterile. Next question. Hinny is a hybrid of male horse and female donkey. Second, male donkey and female horse, male goat and female lamb, male sheep and female goat. So Hinny is a hybrid of male horse and female donkey. Male horse, stallion, female donkey, jennet. Next one, it is the mating of more closely related individuals within the same breed for 4 to 6 generations is known as A. Outbreeding, B. Outcrossing, C. Crossbreeding, D. Inbreeding. Answer is inbreeding. Next question, it is the practice of mating of animals within same breed but having no common ancestor on either side of their pedigree up to 4 to 6 generations is known as outcrossing, crossbreeding, inbreeding, interspecific hybridization. Answer is outcrossing. Next question, the new breed of sheep developed in Punjab by crossing Buccaneer Eve and Merino Ram is the new breed of sheep developed in Punjab by crossing Buccaneer Eve and Merino Ram. What is Eve? Female in sheep. Ram, male in sheep. The resultant is Hezerdale. A group of animals which are related by descent and share many similarities are referred to as. A group of animals which are related by descent and share many similarities are referred to as breed, race, variety, species. So answer is breed. Next one, inbreeding is carried out in animal husbandry because it increase vigor, strength. Second option, improve the breed, increase heterozygosity, increase homozygosity. We already discussed inbreeding, increase the homozygosity, superior genes accumulated, unwanted character expressed in inbreeding. So answer increase homozygosity. Next one, 33% of Indian gross domestic product come from industry, agriculture, export, small scale cottage industries. So that is a small scale cottage industries. Next one, match the term given in column 1 with the description given in the column 2. Outcrossing, interspecific hybridization, crossbreeding, inbreeding. So outcrossing, you all know, mating of animals of same breed but have no common ancestor for 4 to 6 generation. Interspecific hybridization, cross between organism belong to two different closely related species. Interspecific hybridization. Crossbreeding, the cross between organism belong to two different breeds is known as crossbreeding. Inbreeding, the cross between closely related individuals is known as inbreeding. Next one, what strategies would you suggest if a person wanted to evolve a pure line in an animal? Pure line means homozygous animals. Option, crossbreeding, inbreeding, outbreeding, artificial insemination. Answer is inbreeding. The term inbreeding depression is related to increased fertility and productivity. 2. Increased milk production. 3. Reduced fertility and productivity. 4. Reduced milk production. So reduced fertility and productivity. The term inbreeding depression is related to reducing fertility and productivity. Next question, which of the following statement is not correct regarding inbreeding? It is the breeding between animals of the same breed. It is the breeding between animals of the same breed. 2. It decreases homozygosity. It decreases homozygosity. So, not related to inbreeding. It decreases homozygosity. It is not related. Homozygosity increases. See, it exposes harmful recessive genes. Correct. It helps in accumulation of superior genes. So correct. Given flow chart represents different steps of Moit. So cow is administered with hormone 1. You should identify, that is FSH. Second, so here options. Second, superovulation. Third, transfer to surrogate mother. Transfer to surrogate mother. So answer is first one, hormone is FSH. Second one is due to accumulation of FSH 6 to 8 OVR formed. So second is superovulation. And next one, third is transfer to surrogate mother. Fertilized eggs. You already know we inject FSH hormone. As a result, 6 to 8 OVR formed. Later we cross that female with elite male, or we give artificial insemination. As a result, 6 to 8 ova converted into 6 to 8 eggs. So later artificial insemination. So 6 to 8 eggs per cycle mentioned. So general usage they may give egg ova. So now artificial insemination. As a result, zygotes are formed. Now we collect these eggs at 8 to 32 from the mother by non-surgical method. Next step is so inserted into surrogate mothers. Here, for example, 8 embryos are obtained, so they take 8 surrogate mothers and insert 1 embryo into 1 surrogate mother. So one is FSH, second is superovulation, third is introduced into surrogate mother or foster mother. What is surrogate mother? The female provide uterus to the ovum of another female is known as surrogate mother. Next question. Which one of the following products of apiculture is used in cosmetics and polishes? Wax. 1. Honey. B. Oil. C. Wax. D. Royal jelly. So wax. Next one. Which one of the following is a marine fish? You should remember, you should memorize the freshwater fishes, marine fishes given in the textbook. Rohu, Hilsa, Katla, common carp. Rohu, Katla, Serhynus mrigala, common carp, grass carp. So are freshwater. Hilsa is a marine. So answer is Hilsa. Which one of the following is a marine fish? So that is Hilsa. Next one. 3 carp fishes, Katla, Labio and Serhynus can be grown together in the same pond more economically as they have first positive interaction, 2 hybridization, 3 symbiosis, 4 no competition for food. Katla, Labio, Serhynus. Katla, Labio, Serhynus. Katla is a surface feeder, Labio is a column feeder, and Serhynus is a bottom feeder. So that's why no wastage of feed and no competition. Katla feed available at the surface, Labio in the middle water and Serhynus at the bottom water. So that's why no competition for food. Answer. Indian Veterinary Research Institute is located at Aizat Nagar. It developed the poultry vaccines and it also developed hybrid boilers. Identify the hybrid boiler from the following: Pona Perel, BV300, Hylin, Hubbard. So Hubbard and Venkab are the hybrid boilers. Pona Perel, BV300, Hylin are the hybrid layers. Hybrid layers. Hylin, Pona Perel, BV300, Ponaperal, Hyaline are the hybrid layers. Which is a fungal disease of poultry? Fowl pox, aspergillosis, ranicate. So aspergillosis, also known as Broders pneumonia. We already discussed 3 diseases are fungal diseases: Broders pneumonia or aspergillosis, aflatoxicosis and thrush. These are the fungal diseases. The process of elimination of diseased birds from a flock is called brooding, dubbing, deworming, culling. So that is known as culling. What is debeaking? Debeaking means removal of upper 1/3 part of the beak with the help of debeaker. What is dubbing? Trimming of crown and wattles. So the bird subjected to dubbing lay 2% more eggs. What is deworming? Remove the helminth parasites by using anti-helminth drugs is known as deworming. First deworming should be done 8th week. Then onwards, this process is repeated again for every 8 weeks. Debeaking first time 10th day, second time 16th or 17th week. So the birds need debeaking only 2 times. National Dairy Research Institute is situated in Lucknow, Patna, Karnal, Ludhiana. So situated in Karnal. So regarding milk production, the state occupy first position in India regarding milk production is Uttar Pradesh, second Punjab, third Haryana. The drones in honeybees are fertile male, fertile female, sterile male, sterile female. The drones in honeybees are fertile male. Pollen baskets occur in honeybee on prothoracic leg, mesothoracic leg, metathoracic leg, union of thorax and abdomen. Pollen baskets are present on the tibia of metathoracic leg. Answer. Or another question, pollen brushes are present on tarsi of all legs. 6 legs possess pollen brushes. Only last pair of legs or metathoracic leg possess pollen basket. In which bee the wax glands are present? Worker, drone, queen bee, both queen and workers. Only workers. The following are the statements regarding honeybees. Queen bee is fed with royal jelly by workers. Correct. Brood chamber in beehive contain fertilized and unfertilized eggs. Correct. As the drones are capable of flying, they feed on plant juice and nectar. Wrong. In drones, mouth parts are reduced. That's why third statement wrong. Fourth, storage of sperm in spermatheca is the sole function of drone. Wrong. Spermatheca present in queen. At the time of copulation, the collected sperms stored in the spermatheca. Next one, inland fishery refer to culturing fish in freshwater, trapping and capturing fishes from sea coast, deep sea fishing, extraction of oil from fishes. You all know capture of fishes in deep sea known as offshore fishery, capture of fishes from near the shore, inshore fishery, capture the fishes in freshwater or brackish water, inland fishery. Similarly, culture in freshwater and brackish water also known as inland fishery. So inland fishery, here culturing fishes in freshwater. Which hormones are administered in aquaculture techniques to obtain seed fish in pure form? Pituitary hormone, sense hormone, thyroid hormone, parathyroid hormone. They inject pituitary hormone. You already know fishes also breed during a particular season. During particular season only they lay eggs. Regarding bony fishes, cartilaginous fishes give birth to young ones. If they lay eggs or give birth to young ones in a particular season, So the available fish is not sufficient for human. That's why they give pituitary injection to each and every fish. So the fish brood throughout the year. In this manner, human beings exploit the fishes. Moit technique is used for superovulation in fish, cattle, chicken, elephant. So multiple ovulation embryo transfer technique used in cattle. Next one, outbreeding is an important strategy of animal husbandry because it is useful in producing pure lines of animals, is useful in overcoming inbreeding depression. So expose harmful recessive genes that are eliminated by selection, helps in accumulation of superior genes. Answer is useful in overcoming inbreeding depression. In poultry, first deworming is usually done around this age, 8 weeks. So then onwards, the birds needing deworming every 8 weeks. They repeat the same process every 8 weeks. So first time 8, second time 16, third time 24, like that. This process is repeated every 8 weeks. Compared to a bull, a bullock is docile because of, docile means not aggressive. Reason, they smash the testicles. So bull never obey the orders of farmer. So that's why they smash the testicles. So now it is known as bull. So they are not functional. So testosterone hormone is not released. So bull is docile. Docile means not aggressive. So now we discuss next chapter, organisms and population.